Good morning, children. How are you, mom? Hope you are all fine at home. Okay. Now I'm going to take your next quadratics exercise. Okay, mom. Actually, I didn't plan to teach this exercise, but it is important for some part. You should know what is what for this exercise. Yes, okay. That's what I start. A quadrilateral has dash sides, dash vertices. Okay, 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. That is the answer. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. I told you. The measure of each angle of a convex quadrilateral is less than 180 degrees. Okay. Convex if they say less than. Concave if they say at least one of the angles should be more than 180. Check whether the following angles be quadrilateral or not. Means sum of the angles is equal to 360 or not, you check. That is your work. Okay. Now third sum, in a quadrilateral ABCD, if angle A is equal to 100 degrees, exercise 4, only one exercise is there. Okay. Third sum. So angle A is equal to 100. Angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is 60 degrees. Now what is angle D? Simple question here. 100 plus 60 plus 60 plus angle D is equal to 360. I am not telling complete steps now because only the process you should know. 360 minus 220. 0, 4, 1. 140 degrees is the angle D. Okay? We are coming to fourth question. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:3:5:6. Find the measure of the smallest angle. But this question is important and model is important. Okay, 1:3:5:6. The ratio between angles. The ratio among, not between. Among the angles of quadrilateral is equal to 1:3:5:6. It means here 1x is to 3x is to 5x is to 6x. What is the smallest angle? Means here 1x plus 3x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 360. Right. 4, 9 plus 6. 15x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 by 15. 24 degrees. Therefore, the smallest angle is 24 degrees. Okay? Do these two sums more quickly. The next is see here. Three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and fourth angle is a right angle. Find the measure of each. Okay, three angles are equal. Let them be x. Okay. Let the three equal angles be. Each x. Therefore, x plus x plus x plus one of the angle is given, right angle, is equal to 360. So 3x is equal to 360 minus 90. equal to 270. Therefore, x is equal to 270 by 3. Again 90 only. Means mostly it may be a rectangle or square, not rhombus. Because in rhombus, different angles will come, not right angles. Do it, ma. Same concept given in 6th question. The measure of two adjacent angles of a quadrilateral are 52 degrees and 110 degrees. The remaining two adjacent angles are equal. Okay? Right, see here. Find the measure of each of these two angles. Right. The measure of each equal angles is equal to x given two angles is equal to 52 degrees and 110 degrees. Therefore, 52 plus 110 plus x is equal to 360. Process is same. So 2x is equal to 360 minus 162. Is equal to 10 minus 2, 8. Now 15 minus 6, 998. 2 minus 1, 198. Therefore, x is equal to 198 by 2. 2 nines, 99 degrees each. Okay, ma? Complete this one. Make it fast. Just in 10 minutes, I want to finish this exercise. Today I am not well, ma, so I will take only 10 minutes class for you. Tomorrow I may go for the next topic and I will continue more. Seventh Roman, first question is given as 3 of the angles are 85, 85, 85. Fourth angle is x. You calculate x. I am giving as work to you that you can solve it. Okay. Second bit I am going now. 4 angles of a quadrilateral. As in terms of x given. Okay, look at this. I may finish with this topic now for you. That is 2x minus 20 plus x plus 30 plus x plus 50 plus 2x is equal to 360. All x you add 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x plus 10 plus 50, that is 60. 360 minus 60. So 6x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 by 6, that is 50 degrees. Okay. Now what are the angles? 2 into 50 minus 10. 40. 80 degrees is first angle. Next 50 plus 30, 80 degrees second angle. 50 plus 50, 100 degrees third angle. 2x, 2 into 50, 100 fourth angle. Okay, ma'am. All the 4 angles we calculated. Children, finish the sum, 7 sum. The remaining 3 we can continue in the next topic, no? Because those are anyhow those will be there in your special types of quadrilaterals and all. Then you can solve it. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, children. Stay safe at home. Okay, complete the work what I gave. Okay, thank you.